Good morning, people. Just going to be walk the dog. Yeah, not feeling the best, but hey ho. So I'm just going to go walk. Hey people, where's the dog? I think there's sheep up here. God, I cannot walk up this morning. Don't know what's going on. I think there's some sheep up here, to be honest. I don't know. God. Right, sheep. There. They just ran there. There. That's in there. There's one. Crazy. I've never seen anything like it. Apologise. Actual sheep. It's mental. Crazy. Hey people, heading back down there. Just walked up halfway there. Well, not halfway, but I mean, there's the dog. So it's getting a bit too wet now. So I've got to go down the forest way. And then another way, so yeah, straight down. The sheep. So weird. Just going down to the forest. Let's go. She's peeing. To the forest. To the forest. Oh, she's maybe just spin. Yeah. Dog chicken down here. She's a nice walk. Hey people, just nearly at the forest. I think it's this way. Oh, I think it is this way. Near the road. Yeah. Oh, and it's so mushy. Oh, mushy. I should have been there, alright. Oh, goodness. Is that mud? Oh, yuck. Yuck, seriously, yuck. Ow. Look at that mud. I'm sinking in it. Oh, I can't get out yet. And I'm out. Oh. Thank goodness I'm out. That was horrible. Been my shoes and a hoodie. feel like I'm in a movie. Birds. Look at them. I'm actually terrified. Look at them. That is mental. An air? That is mental. Hey people, that's me just back in. Oh, I'm exhausted. So I'm just gonna brush this. She's sentimental, but I'll show you. Show you this. Skye, what you doing? That's the top where she's wet. Skye, what you doing? She's not even wet. Skye. Skye. She's so hairy. Skye. I don't know if it's up well. Skye. What you doing? Stairs are getting it. Skye, what are you doing? Hey, you better not been on bed. You wee bum. What's you doing? I really don't know. Skye, you okay there? Skye. Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? Come on. There. Calm down. Calm down. Skye, you gonna calm down? Aren't you? You gonna calm down now? 2 minutes of madness. Is that what it is? 2 minutes of madness. Is that what you're doing? Mummy get you dried off? Yeah. Think she should, yeah. Hey people, I need to figure out what to eat for breakfast. Don't really want to eat out, but I need to get rid of my can for last night as well. So, I just opened the can earlier. Just so knackered. Like, I've literally no energy in me. But, like, I tried to go for a walk and I did, so I'm pleased with that. So, let's take this. Get up. Hey people, I'm gonna make toast and chicken roll. The stuff here. Just essentials. It is to die for. Yeah, so I'm gonna have some of that. It's something, you know what I mean? I don't feel like eating, but I need to try, you know what I mean? Gonna try. Does that I've got a bruise there? I don't know. It's weird. I don't know what's happening. So yeah. Hey people. We'll go for a nice shower. Yeah, try nice shower. See how I feel after that. I just feel crappy. But I may as well try. So yeah, gonna try. Hey people, just making mangoes for tonight. See if I can cut that. We'll see what happens. So just essential mints. So yeah, I should have put a bit more mints in, but should be all good. It's not for me anyway. Hey people, that's the mince on. Put carrots and peas in it and then just take like nice and soft. And it is in there. So yeah, just stop my hair like this now because I've had to change my top because it's getting it wet now. So yeah, I'll see how this goes. Don't know. See. Can only try it. People. Still. Smells beautiful actually. Can't wait. I'm starving. There's still no time to hurry up. I don't know what time it is to be honest. See if we can tell. 14:48. 10:03. I'll probably have it about 4, half 4, maybe 5. Blow dried my hair obviously. I used it as just essential shampoo, conditioner and body wash. Seems to be alright. I'll be able to tell once I straighten my hair. So, once I get more water into the pot I'll straighten my hair and I'll not get time to do it. So yeah. Can't wait for this. Starving Marvin. Dinner, and some potatoes, carrots and peas. There's a carrot there.
Well, I'm awake.
Can't wait.
You need this time. The recipe I had to duplicate Morbium failed. Of course it did.
Just add
You can't
magic.
duplicate Morbium.
And dinner. Good morning, people. Forgot to vlog last night. I was just taking a sneezing fit there. So, I'm gonna get tidied up. Probably take the dog out maybe. So I feel like crap this morning. My nose is off, I had the nosebleed and everything. But oh wait, see what happens. See what happens. Just gotta get organised, tidied up. Hey people, I'm gonna wait that again. I'm just eating it. I should have had something to eat. Oh, bye, Skye. Should have had something to eat before, but it doesn't matter now, does it? So, hopefully there's no sheep up here this morning. Hopefully not. This is the bit I don't like to do stony. That's it. There's a dog that's walking somewhere. Hopefully it's not up here. The Skye will go up on that. I think this bit was easier. Oh, I slipped. Come on. I'm sorry, Skye. I don't see a dog up here. Yeah. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Oh. Nice. I'm on up half of the pit. I don't see any sheep today. All my beds are up there. So, Skye there. I don't think there's sheep today. So I would have seen them run. So, yeah. What's that? Waterfall thing. That is some. Get it up here, man. That is stunning. Absolutely stunning. Yeah, man. Absolutely amazing. Come on. These are a good wee walk. Let's see, try and go down for 5 people. The seat was wet, so I've got to make my way back down now again. And it's windy up here. So I'll go back, get my breakfast on. I don't know what I'll have. I don't think the rain's starting, so it's a good job I'm getting done. Don't know. So yeah. I apologise for the wind. I was wrong. There are sheep now. I don't think you can see them from here, but I'll see if I can try for you. This guy. There he said. The ruin there. Oh, that's a sheep. That's a lot of sheep. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear, they're going to be running off in a minute. I'm sure that's sheep. I'll try and capture it. Them running. My heart probably going to happen that. Look at that sky. I'm going to try and get them in slow motion. That's what I'm going to do. Back, you know. Okay, they're stuck right now. I'm actually kind of stuck. Don't come near me, sheep, I swear to God. I thought they were more frightened than us. I'm stuck. They ain't moving. I'm going to. They ain't budging. I was getting them to come and charge at me. think I'm going to go the long way, and I can't. I feel like I'm bloody weak. You know what I mean? I feel like they've got a charge at me. I'm going to just go the long way. I just hope I'm not late for my beta walker. There's no way I can pass this sheep unless somebody walks up. You know what I mean? And they did run off, but they were charging at me. I don't know if you've seen that, but they were charging at me nearly. They were giving me the stare eye. Alright, people made it down. 2 people are coming down. So, did I need to go this way? Actually, I need to walk up that way, actually. Because I forgot this is on Marty. But 2 people were walking down. And I asked them if they could help me. And the sheep was alright. They went that way, so long times with people, I'm fine. But myself, that was scary. And something said to me on the phone, don't show your feet. Really? Don't show your feet? Sure thing. Don't show them feet. And it was charging at me, nearly. I don't even know if I caught it charging at me. I need to look back at the video. Nearly home. 10 minutes. But yours, it'll be a second. Oh my goodness, man. I'm never going up the mountain myself. Never. I mean, there was no sheep going up, as you've seen. I don't know where they came from. But that was terrifying. 2 people, I don't even know what to tell you. 2 people were walking down that side. Right, just watch yourself going down there. Look how. I said the sheep are charging at you up there. Down there. They're charging at me. I'm going up. So, yeah. Home time. Wash my hands and I get in. And make something to eat. I need that. Something to eat out of that. Hi people, I'm in now. Thank goodness. That was terrifying. I mean, I know it's stupid being scared of sheep, but I am terrified of sheep. Oh, that was so traumatic for me. I thank God I'm in the house now. I thought I was going to be stuck out up there for ages or walk the long way. And I don't think my legs and my hips could have coped with that, to be honest. My hips killing me now. I'm going to sit now for a bit and then make something to eat for breakfast. Hey people, just making sausages with cheese and a sandwich. I can't wait, I'm actually so hungry. Literally hungry. Come on, no. I'll get the shakes as well. Like, because I'm actually so hungry. So, yeah. Can't wait. Oh, excuse me, I just watched Matilda the musical. So that was good. Yeah, something that was different. Really different and odd. But it was good. I liked it. So I got to get organised. Got to get away running. Oh God. So I'm got to get organised. Oh my God, what's that in my face? Mental. Hey people, never mind my hair. But Mrs. Tulula is going for a bath because she stinks. She's all muddy and everything for the field, the mountain, I think. So I'm going to get a wee bath. So, yeah, see how that goes. She's a nightmare. Literal nightmare. She's just not like this part. Why she's got arms in my face. Literally her toys. And it's just not like it. Yay! She had to get herself smashed back. Skye! Stay there. Skye! Are you okay there? Then this will take a 2-minute mad dinner. That's right. Madness time. Hey people. I'm just making mac and cheese. Well, cheese and pasta. It's not ready. It's a bit ready. But I'll get chips for it. But I don't know how I'll be able to eat it, but I'll try. Not make it obviously. I'm taking like a few mouthfuls. I mean that mince and tatties yesterday. So a couple of mouthfuls and that was it. I just can't eat dinner. I don't know why. Just can't eat. So I'm just got to go and prepare my pasta. Let's see if I'll be able to eat this, but I don't know. I'll see what happens. You know what I mean? Good morning, people. Oh, been up for 6 o'clock, and it is.
It's 7:54. Good morning,
But I can't stop sneezing this moment. Oh. And not care. My cute baby. So I have to get up and caked up and hoovered and that. Check out, get ready to get washed and stuff. Sneezing all day there. God, don't know which trigger that I have. I mean, I'm fine. It's not that I'm not well, I'm fine. And sometimes I get like this and I can't be bored, but she's so cute, I love her. But I get up now and get organised. People come out to see me. Hey people, I'm just taking a COVID test and because obviously I've got people coming out to see me and obviously I get sneezes and that, so just better check than safe than sorry, you know what I mean? But it looks all clear anyway. I think. Yeah, it looks all clear anyway. So we'll see what happens. So I'll show you. It's just the control line. Not in the test line yet. So yeah. We'll see what happens. But it looks like negative, but the reason why I was taking it because I'm sneezing and you know, so it looks like I'm negative. So that's a good thing. I never would have been, but you know, obviously with people coming up and then I'm getting my tumble dryer back tomorrow, new tumble dryer. So tomorrow I'll be doing a lot of washing, a lot of washing, a lot of washing. So yeah. Oh man, nearly done on them, so don't need to hoover and that. Put carpet petitioner down and hoover it. Oh, I love the smell of it. I love the smell of carpet freshener, especially if people coming out, you know what I mean? Oh my god, look at my eyebrows, are bushy. Oh my goodness. Oh my eyes. Oh, terrible this morning. Hey people. I'm knackered. I'm absolutely done in. So, just get a wee bit of the hall today and then the kitchen. I think about doing the hall, then have something to eat, then do the kitchen. So there's no point in tidying the kitchen up if you've got to make it a mess again. So make my breakfast first, then I'll tidy the kitchen up. Makes sense. I mean, my kitchen's tidy, you know what I mean? But it's just, I need to go air it and all that. So, yeah. It's getting there, you know what I mean? Smelling nice in here. So it means they'll think, oh, like, it smells nice and that in here. She's looking after herself. But, like, the other day I just gave up on myself. I just let everything get to me and tap at me, so... Yeah, so I'm just got to go and put my socks on because I hate my feet. And I hate having bare feet. She's a beano. Look at that, I started eating it, I'm starving. Hey people, all done. Living room, bathroom, kitchen. Getting that bedroom is the best I can do because of no storage. It's a bit suckish of no storage space, but you've got to do what you've got to do. And I still kind of stop sneezing. So, I'm just going to watch something. Take my mind off everything.
It's 10:16.
10:16, nearly time. Good morning, people. I'm such a bad vlogger. I've got a sore throat now. But today's the day my dryer comes. So I'm just putting the washing on now. Just trying to get as much washing as I can now. My neighbour's in London now, so just trying to get as much as I can. Yeah. It means I can just bung them in the dryer. So yeah, I do apologise. So I've got a sore throat. Yeah, my dryer's coming this morning. Can I help you, Skye? So, yeah, I'm gonna chill it. I'm gonna take the guys away shortly. Oh, my throat really hurts. So it does. Oh man. So awful, man. No, I don't know, mate. So, now well. Hey people, I'm just been sorting out this corner. Looks a lot better actually for what it was. Obviously a suitcase one shop, but I'm going to see if John will stick these up in the loft for me when he comes back. So I can get them out the way and that's that. It's just so frustrating. So it's because I've no storage space. That's an annoying thing about staying here. No storage at all, whatever. It's just starting to annoy me now. Never mind the state of the bed. I'm gonna fix that as well, but like I'm too exhausted now, so I'm gonna sit and chill for 5 and then get started again. Hey people, my dryer is here and I've got a load in there. Oh, exciting. So, yeah, I'll show you what it looks like. I've just put it on a mix because it says mix. But apparently it takes 3 hours. But I'll check on it all the time. I'll just keep checking on it all the time. Making sure it's dry and alright. Oh, can't wait. So yeah. I'm just gonna chill out and do washings all day. Hey people, I'm just going to end this vlog here. But I hope you like it, the vlog. I hope you find it funny actually, because this stuff has been in it, like getting chased with sheep and that is funny. But thank you very much for watching. Hope you like the video. Bye.